Hi guys. So after your results on 16th, I was receiving quite a lot, messages from the students, especially for PM that they were asking me, ma'am, now very less days are left. Somehow they could not plan the subject earlier. Okay, why? Because some were waiting for the results of other subjects, some were not able to clear this subject, and now the question comes very strong. Ma'am, will we be able to make for March 26 if we start studying now? So what can you offer to us? For helping you out to start studying now, I am offering PM crash course. Okay, so I have come up with a PM crash course just so that within a limited span of time, I'm trying to cover 100% of the syllabus with the core purpose that for all those who are these last minute joiners for the course and they want to clear the exam, so let's make it with double of your efforts. Let's make March 2026 conquered. Okay, now let me tell you what I'm going to cover in this 40 hours. Estimated is 40 hours. In this 40 hours, I'm going to be covering number 1, you will get a complete recorded concepts lecture. Okay, it will be completely recorded. So you will get concepts recordings that is going to cover 100% of your syllabus, and that will be estimated for 15 hours. So in 15 hours, I will complete this entire concepts so that conceptually you are stronger. But then comes the second step. Once you know concepts, you need to know their applications. So I am going to be taking second live sessions. Live sessions for what, ma'am? Live sessions for section A practice and section B practice. That will be 100% live. Okay, I come to section C and section C practice. Section C will be partially live and partially recorded. So it will be partially live plus recorded. Now, for section A practice, which will be 100% live, expectantly, I am going to be covering at least around 100 questions. Some top 80 to 100 questions at least I am targeting to cover in this section A live practice, which is covering entire areas of your syllabus. Next, I am targeting to cover section B also for 100% live, that we will be doing live in the class, and here I am targeting to do at least 5 to 10 case studies. So that is going to be around at least 25 to 50 questions additionally you're going to cover for section B. Section C, we are going to be covering at least in total live and recorded at least 10 questions. When I say at least, of course, we will not go below it, but we definitely can go above it. Okay, so at least these questions will be covered live in the class. And guys, let me tell you, when I cover this, I'm going to include questions from your past papers also. So from your recent past paper attempts as well, I'm going to be taking these questions in the class. That is as a part of your section C questions, either live or recorded. Okay, now third portion is also, I know once you do conceptual clarity and you implement it by way of question practice, now comes the third step, which is doing an assessment whether you have done everything correctly or not, whether you understood the concepts, you have applied them well or not. For that, we will have mocks. Okay, and 2 mocks two full-fledged mocks I am going to be conducting. And out of these two full-fledged mock, one will be pre-March mock. Okay, out of these two, one will be pre-March mock. And the question comes in, ma'am, how are you going to evaluate it? For section A and B, you will be getting, of course, the answers for all the mocks. Section A and B, we will be discussing in the mock evaluation class. I will conduct a session on mock evaluation where I will discuss section A and B questions that you have done in that mock. Once I discuss this, then for each one of you, the section C questions that you have given, I will give a general assessment of the section C questions. Then of course, based on your requirements, I will be taking up your individual assessment also. Yes, with the time limitation, I would like to have at least one question that I would be individually assessing and sharing the feedback to you on a one-on-one basis, generally by way of voice notes, and the general feedback I will give in the class. Right? And if you want, let's say I've done one section C assessment, you want the other one also to be assessed, yes, you can put up a request. Definitely, if the time will permit, I'll complete that assessment for you also on a personal basis. Got it? And apart from this, guys, till your exam time, which generally nobody offers, I am going to be giving you 100% WhatsApp support. That means even when your session is not there, you are near to the exam and suddenly you have some queries popping up. 10 o'clock in the night, 11 o'clock in the night, 12 a.m., 1 a.m. You are putting that message to me. Of course, I will be in the sleep, so don't expect me to wake up and then type in. But definitely, you will get your responses very quickly. And I'm there as a support, as your guide, okay, with you till your exams. So this is your support system that I want to be for your PM papers for your March 26 attempts. Before I tell you how to enroll, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, because then you will not be able to get more and more details about what is going to come next, which is also going to be very, very exciting, especially for your March 26 exam attempts. Now, coming back to enrollments. So guys, if you want to enroll, be quick so that you start early. And enrollments, please call or WhatsApp on this number, which is on the screen, or you can visit the website www.bbvirtualsglobal.com. In case any student has any query, relating to this crash course, you can even reach out to me directly only by way of WhatsApp on this number. You can reach out to me and I will take your queries, but only on WhatsApp. Okay. Now, just to update, the crash course will begin from 30th January, and we will have sessions, live sessions on Monday and Wednesday evening as per the calendar that will be provided to you. And 30th January, 31st January, we will have two live sessions as well. Okay, so we are going to be beginning on 30th January. What are you waiting for, guys? Time is running out. Enroll now. See you for the session. Bye-bye.